You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. Yes, it is quite confusing because there's British English and American English pronunciation. So let's break them down. British English pronunciation, perverted, perverted. The stress is on the second syllable. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, more pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got many more. In American English, it's usually pronounced as perverted. Perverted with a flap T that sounds like a D, so perverted American pronunciation, or perverted British English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.